Mabukeli, today will be quick. We're having 5 to 6 odds, and then now some of the games are starting 3 o'clock. So prepare your pen and your paper. We are going to France, where Clermont-Foot is playing against Angers. They just say over 7.5 corners. The second one is Stade Brest against Nice, again over 7.5 corners. Straubing versus Ajaccio, just say over 6.5 corners. Torino versus Salernitana, over 7.5 corners. To West Ham versus Arsenal, over 7.5 corners. Werder Bremen versus Freiburg in Germany, over 7.5 corners. Getafe versus Barcelona, again over 7.5 corners. Monaco versus Lorient, over 7.5 corners. Nottingham Forest Man United, over 7.5 corners. Union Berlin against Bochum, over 7.5 corners. Sassuolo versus Juventus, over 7.5 corners. Atletico Madrid against Almeria, over 7.5 corners. Wolfsburg in Germany against Bayer Leverkusen, over 7.5 corners. AS Roma against Udinese, over 7.5 corners. In France again, Olympique Marseille over against Troyes, over 6.5 corners. Valencia, the last one, and versus Sevilla, the tough game, over 7.5 corners. Thanks for today. Thank you very much.